What's going on, everyone? Well, today we got a 2024 Hyundai Tucson key fob here. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. So there's a button right here at the bottom of the remote on the back side. We're going to press and hold that down, and that releases the door key. And once we have the door key out, we're going to turn it over like this. You see this slot you have right here on the left side? We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver that fits into the slot, into the bottom of the slot, and we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to, with an upward motion, pry that up. And do that again. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it goes in, and then we pry it up. Okay, and that lifts that back case off without doing any damage to the remote, okay? So if you look, we're actually prying on this part right here, and this little door window gives us that access to push it up. All right, you can see here's the battery. It comes out really easily, just slides out to the right here, just like this. And on the battery is written, this is a Panasonic battery, it's written CR2032. That is the size. You can see this positive sign. This positive sign is facing out towards us when we put the new battery in. You can see there's a positive sign here too. Okay, so if you want to get another Panasonic battery, I have a link in the description box and in the comment box that takes you to Amazon, where you can get 2 Panasonic batteries for like $5. So if you need one, you can go there to get it real quick. It's nice and easy. But you just slide the new one in just like you took the old one out, and you get the back case, and we just put it back on here. Start at the top and work our way back, and just press it together. You hear it kind of click together. It'll be nice and solid. Then you get the door key, slide it in here, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, we would really appreciate your support by hitting the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and even hitting the like button. That would be wonderful. Hope this video was helpful. You guys have a great weekend.